Hey yo, Nicky Jam, Steve Aoki. Yeah, vamos a darle a esto. Si tú estás molesto, sácalo del cuerpo. Olvida todo lo malo, ya no estamos para ese cuento. Porque no te toma algo que te quite eso. Busca quien te guste para que le robe un beso. Baila con el ritmo y no te quede atrás. Moviendo tu...
Hey everybody, hope that you guys are having an awesome day. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe down below and like this video. And also ring the bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video. So today's video is going to be a swatch video for today. And I'm also going to do a makeup. So I'm also going to do a makeup look on this palette right here. This is the Urban Decay Cherry Naked Palette. And this one just came out recently. When you open it. And I wanted to show you guys the swatch. All the swatches, colors, and stuff like that. It reminded me of the Urban Decay Heat palette, which is like this one right here. I have it right now, but it's somewhere. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys. So up close in person, this is what it looks like. It's kind of dusty, but it's not really bothering me or anything. It's just like, you know, it's very dirty, but it's all good. It's not really like very big or anything, but I only got it because of the packaging. So it's very pretty. So I'm going to show you guys the swatches.
So I'm gonna swatch all of these. So I'm gonna swatch Hotspot, Caution, Bang Bang, Feels, and Juicy. Here. That's like a very like transition shade. That one is Hotspot, and then this one right here is Bang Bang. Oh no, yeah. This one is Caution, and then this one right here is the white one, which is Hotspot. Very chalky though. And then this one is Feels. Very cool. And this one is Juicy.
I'm swatching Turn On, Ambitious, Bing, Devilish, and Young Love. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Turn On, Ambitious, Bing, and then Young Love, and then Draw Dial. These are all the colors that I mentioned. And then the last one is Privacy. Yeah. So I'm going to swatch Privacy next. I'm just letting my hands dry before I swatch these. So I'm going to swatch Privacy, which is like a brown. Looks like that. So I'm going to put my phone in the bag so you guys can see the real. So yeah, those are all the colors that I swatch in the palette. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think from the format of this palette. Like, you know, if you think it's worth the money. Personally, it's not about the swatches, so you guys can see the real tea once I do a makeup look with this. So if you guys are interested of me doing a makeup look and like a review on this palette, let me know by hitting the thumbs up button, and also comment down below what you guys want to see of the swatches right here. I really like this one right here and this. These three are catching my eye and putting them like literally catching my eye. So yeah, I'll be definitely doing a look on this, and I'll totally let you guys hooked on it too. And I'll see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. I love y'all so much.
Nicky Jam. La industria ahí. Saca white black. Steve Aoki. Yeah. Échale la culpa al alcohol.